One of the things I've been doing during the quarantine is just making my time worth something. Been doing a lot of house cleaning and organizing and listing stuff on my sales sites. One of the things I'm also doing is trying new things. Yesterday I made refried beans for the first time from scratch, and it was a 2-day process because the first day I messed them up. Second day they came out good, and I'll be doing that for you guys. I did them in the crock pot. They were delicious. Today I'm going to be doing a sort of a cornmeal pancake thing with Krusteaz pancake mix and cornmeal, and they were just delicious when I made them last time. They were filling and a little more hefty than just plain Krusteaz, and all you have to add is pancake mix, water, and cornmeal. So let's get started. Okay, here are our ingredients. Krusteaz. This stuff you only need to add water to make pancakes and waffles. It was $4.99 at Grocery Outlet, 5 pounds. And cornmeal, and this is just standard cornmeal I got at the store. When Eddie and I make pancakes, we usually just use about a cup of batter, so I'm going to use those same proportions. I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of the Krusteaz mix in, 2, 3, and 1/4 cup of the cornmeal. And I'm going to just whisk it all together. Until it's all nice and mixed. This is a consistency I really like. I used about 3/4 of a cup of water. I think the cornmeal sucks up a little bit more water than the baking mix does. But you know, pour it in slowly. Again, you know, I've noticed that water and flour and baking mixes, sometimes it's a little bit of a compromise between what is said on the directions and what the reality is. Well, my pan was ready to go, and I just started my first batch. Well, they look ready to turn, so let's do it. Oops. Got caught up on the side. There we go. Pan might be a tad too small, but they sure smell good and look delicious. Aren't those pretty? They kind of have a little bit of a yellow cast to them from the cornmeal, but oh my gosh, so delicious. They also get a nice rise. Right, here's the moment of truth. Eddie is trying them.
Oh, yeah.
You liked them last time. Let's see what he thinks this time.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Oh, yeah.
Is it better than Krusteaz just by itself?
Oh, heck yeah.
What do you think the difference is?
It's got more oomph.
All right. Well,
I give it a little...
It's a little fuller.
A little taste.
The taste is better?
It kind of tastes more, kind of a little bit salty, but not real so. Just that.
It has a little more something, something.
Yeah, it's just better.
All right.
Everything about it. Texture, everything better.
All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and make you a couple more. What do you say?
Lifetime stuff right here. Never going back. This is good.
All right. Thank you. Eddie is right. These are going to become our new default pancakes. As a matter of fact, he's eaten almost the entire batch, which thrills me to no end. The cornmeal gives a nice little flavor boost and also a little bit of a bulk boost. Sometimes pancakes can kind of go right through you. They don't have a lot of stick to your ribness about them. So anyway, that's my latest discovery. Be safe, be well, and thank you so much for watching.